I will explain. Mensuration. Before that, let's understand about a little information of mensuration. What is the meaning of mensuration? It says that I will measure. I will measure to the solid shapes. I will measure solid shapes. Okay. So mensuration, which means measurement of something. But here our context is solid shapes. So measurement of solid shapes. Okay. One by one, we will break down about measurement of solid shapes. Before that, now you are clear that meaning of mensuration is a measurement of a solid shapes. In the measurement of solid shapes, we will observe most what perimeter of a solid shapes, area of a solid shape. These two are measurement. 2D, 3D are what? 2D, which means two dimension. X-axis, Y-axis, two dimension. X-axis is one dimension, and this Y-axis is a second dimension. That's why there are two dimensions. That's why it is said 2D. Okay. So object can move on x-axis. Object can move left to right, and even object can move upward, downward. This is the meaning of 2D. So 2D has two dimensions. About edges. So here edges. What is the meaning of edges? Do you want to understand? What is the meaning of edges? 1 second. Here, just about edges. Here, this is a surface. This is a surface. This is edge. This is what is. This is edge, and this is edge. This is edge. This is edge. So you are eligible to see edges of this 2D object. Of course, yes. So here, 2D says that all edges of a 2D you will be able to see. You will be able to identify. You can see all edges of 2D. So all edges of a 2D will be visible. Now 3D. 3D has three dimensions. 3D has three dimensions. First X, this is one. Second Y, this is two. Third Z. This is third. We have three dimension, three axis. That's why it is Z. 3D. All this explanation is Z. 3D. What about edges of 3D? It says that some edges, front edges of a 3D object will be eligible, but backward edges of a 3D object will not be eligible, will not be visible to someone. So front edges of 3D we can see. So front edges will be visible. Okay. So all edges of a 3D are not visible. Now 2D has not a space. 2D has area. But 2D has not a space. Here, this board is an example of a 2D. Am I right or no? This board is an example of a 2D object. Now, can you tell me, is there any space of this object? Is there any space of this object? Can you see? Can you tell? No, we don't have. It doesn't have what a space. So that's why this is also a point of 2D. But 3D says that I have a space. You what you want to put? I have a space. You can put. What says 3D? So always remember 3D will have a space, which is also said in another word, volume, volume, volume. Okay. So here you can write that 2D has area but no volume. Okay. 3D has volume and area. These are key points. These are key points. So examples of 2D are what? First of all, rectangle, a square, uh, circle. Circle is also an example of 2D. So examples of a 3D are cuboid, cube. These are a spherical. These are examples of 3D. Okay. 3D. Do you understand? I hope we are clear. Now you can understand these lines which are important. I am going to take next question, next topic. What is a perimeter? What is a perimeter? What is the meaning of a perimeter? It says that all total length of a circumference or a boundary of a shape is calculated together. Then we get a product, a number, which is total length of a circumference of a shape. Okay. So to find out perimeter of a shape, we will just do, all we need to do is that just write all given length of a sides, length of a circumference, and together add all sum of sides together. Then we will get the total length of a perimeter. Total length of perimeter. But here you can also remember that perimeter is also known as a circumference. So sometimes in our question we will realize that question is saying circumference is this circumference length of a circumference is 26 centimeter, and you are not understanding what is the circumference. So remember, circumference of or a perimeter is the same. There are nothing changed. Okay, circumference, which also means a boundary of something. So perimeter. To find out perimeter, we just add all sum of circumference of shapes. This is how we found perimeter. Now let's take what? We have a square, which is what? This is a square. This is a square, which is a 2D shape. This is a square, which is a 2D shape. Now each side of this 2D shape is how much? 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Let's name it. Say D. Each. This is already what? Quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral, and we can say this is a square. Okay. Now we have to find out perimeter of this square. So just all we need to do is that whatever we have given length of sides, we will write together. Perimeter of this square. This is what? 4 multiple 4 multiple 4 multiple no 4. So here 4 is how much? 4 times 4 is 16. Just we will add all given length of sides. Okay, now we have a rectangle. we have rectangle. Okay, a rectangle has a two pair of two parallel lines, as you know. This is a 4, this is a 4, and this is a 5, this is a 5. Okay, so what is a way to calculate a perimeter of this rectangle? So perimeter of this rectangle here we also can write can find out as 5 plus 5 4 plus 4. We will get answer 5 by 10 and 9 18 centimeter. But another formula is what? Formula we can write we have two. This is a breadth, this is also breadth, this is length, this is length. Okay, so here we can write L plus L, B plus B. This is the same. These are in variables. We have L how much times? 2 times. Then 2B. 2 is common. So A plus B. This is a formula of finding perimeter of a rectangle. And this is a formula of calculating perimeter of the square. This is okay. Now it's time to understand about area. 1 second, brother. 4. Yeah. So to find out area of this square, area is nothing but this coverage area, cover area, this cover area. So this cover area. So what is the area? What is the area of this? What is the area of this square? Just we will area of this square. Area of this square. So formula would be what? A raised to the power square. This is formula. So A is 4. How much time? 2 times. This is the end of a square. 4 4 is 60 centimeter a square. A square will be applied in answer of area of solid shapes. Okay. So this square you will apply always when you are finding area of a solid shape. Now what about this area of this rectangle of this what? Just L multiple B in we don't take again same length. For example, this air. So here we have again length. So instead of taking two times, we will take one time air, then B. Okay. It will happen in the case of area of solid cells. So L is 5 and B is L is 4 and B is 5, 20 centimeter a square. So this cover area is 20 centimeter a square. I hope you understood something. What about a triangle? What about a triangle? A, B, C. So here we will draw a perpendicular line for height. So this will be known as height and this will be known as what? Base. For example, this is 5 centimeter and this is just 6 and this is 4 centimeter. So perimeter of this perimeter would be what? Just we will add all measure of sides. So 5, then 6, then 4. 6 for 10, 10, 5, 15, 20, 15 centimeter. This is the answer. This is a perimeter. This is the total length of a triangle. Now, what about the area of this triangle? So in this, in the case of finding area of a rectangle, we use something different. What area of a triangle? We have a half. As we know that there is no any diagonal in the case of a triangle. We don't observe what diagonals in triangle. That's why we draw a perpendicular line, which is height is this is what height is 5 centimeter. Let's say 5 centimeter. So here this is half and half and half will make a rectangle or a square. Okay, half and half will make a, and as we already know that same length we will not take again. So triangle is also a rectangle or a square. Then B multiple H. 1 by 2, this is a formula, and B is 4 and H is 5. 2 4 is 2 2 is 4, 5 2 is 10 centimeter square. 10 centimeter square is the area of a triangle. Is the area of this triangle. This triangle. Got it? Did you understand? We saw how to find out how to calculate a perimeter of a solid, of a square shape, of a rectangle shape, of a triangle shape, and how to find area of a square shape, of a rectangle shape, of a triangle shape. And there are some other shapes that we didn't explain. I didn't explain, but till here I hope we are crystal clear about this. Just have a look. Just have a look. Now I am going to take questions. But before that, I would like to introduce of a circle. This is a circle. This is a circle. But this is not exact diagram of a circle. But just for understand, let's say this is circle. This is a circle. Here. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of this? What is the formula to find out the perimeter of this circle? So perimeter of this circle is what? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So as we know, so semicircle, a perimeter of a semicircle is what? Pi r just. So here 2 pi r, which means pi is 2 times and r is 2 times. This is a half, one part this and this part secant. This part is the secant. 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay. So it is saying, so from here to till here is 3 point something, 3.77 something something. Then again from here to till here will be 3.7, 3.17 something something. Then we will have something little area, left little area. And this is called radius. This is called radius. Okay, this is called radius. And this is circumference. Circumference. This is called circumference. Okay. So to find out the total length of this circumference, we will apply this formula, 2 pi r. One question do I wanted to see. Let's say radius is 5 centimeter. Then this is 5 centimeter. And we need to calculate total length of circumference of this circle. So what will be how much? 2 multiple 20 and r is 5. 5 to the 10, 27, 200. Then here 7 3s are 21 and the sun and 3 4 31.44 something 31.4 something. This is a length of this circumference. Now what about the area of this circle? Pi r square. We don't care about 2 times in the case of area of solid size. So pi r square. This is a pi and this is a square, and r square is a 2 times. So to find out this area, we apply this formula. So pi and multiple pi. And then you can multiply 22 by 25 upon by 7. You multiply 22 by 25, then divide by 7. We will get what? Total area of this circle. Okay, so my point was, this is a formula of finding area of circle, and this is a formula of calculating the perimeter of a circle. I hope you understood something. Question. I have question. Okay. we have two questions, and question is saying find the perimeter of this. Find the perimeter of this figure. Question is saying find the perimeter of this given figure. Now let's see how can we solve it. Diameter. This is a diameter. 2.8 is diameter of this semicircle. So perimeter. Okay, perimeter. Perimeter of this A would be what? Pi r plus 2.8. Am I right? So pi is what? 22 by 7. And r is how much? R is 1.4. 1.4. 1.4, 2.8. 22, and then it can be written like that. Then we have what? 5 twos are and 11 twos are. 7 twos are. Yeah. 22 by 5, 28 upon 10. Two fives are 10. 5 twos are, so 44 and 28 will be how much? 2, 6 and 7, 10. Then answer would be 7.2 centimeter. This is the total length of this circumference. Okay, this is the total length. Clear? Now let's attach to this. Let's attach to this. Perimeter of this B. How about you, sir? Here we have semicircle and we have this square. This is rectangle. Now 1.5, 1.5, then 1.5. No, 2 times only, and 2.5. 2.5. Then we will add pi r. Okay, then we will add pi r. 15 by 10, then 15 by 10, then 28 by 10. Then we have 27 and r, which is how much? 1.4. So can we write 14 by 10. 7 twos are and 5 twos are, 11 twos are. Here, this is upward. 10, 15, and then 15, then 28. And then I have how much? 22 upon 5. 10, 20, 30, 50, 58 upon 10. 22 by 5. So would be 10, 58 and 44. How much? 50, 90 and 90, 100, 102 upon 10, which is 10.2 centimeter. This is the total length of circumference of this given figure. 10.2 centimeter. We are done. You can see process. Now next question. The shape figure is like this. This is figure. This is a figure of a diagram or garden. This is a figure of a diagram or garden. Okay. Now carefully try to read this question. The shape of a garden. The shape of a garden is a rectangular. This is a rectangular. In the middle and semicircle at the end. This is also part of a garden. Ends as shown in figure. Find the area and perimeter of this garden. First of all, let's find out perimeter of this garden. Perimeter of this garden. Perimeter of this garden. Here, perimeter of this garden. Perimeter of this garden. Can we say what? Length of this is how much? This is length of this is how much? You would say 7. Then length of this would be 13, and this is a 7. So can we write 13 centimeter plus 13 centimeter, then 7 and then 7, then 7. Then we have what? Semicircle. So 2 pi r and 2 pi r, 2 times. Two pi r, 2 times. It will get cancelled. That's it. Now 13, 10, 20 and 30 and 40. Now 20 r which is 3.5. Otherwise we can write 7/2. 11 and 7. we have 51 centimeter. This is the answer. This is the final answer. Here we want to take this length. We want to take this length. 13, 13, then 13, 13. 13, 13, then we have 2 pi r. So we will write pi r. 13, 13, 26, and then 20, and r 7 by 2, 11. And then we have how much? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. 26 plus 22 would be 48. Pi r 2 times. I had done wrong in formula. This is a perimeter. This is a perimeter of this garden. Now let's talk about area of this garden. Area of this garden. So what do you want? Rectangle as well, A multiple B. Then we will add 2 semicircles. So 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. A 30. Then 7 by 2. 2 multiple 27 by 2 multiple 7 by 2. 7 by 2. This 15. And then where nothing. 2 ones are and 2 11 and 7. So 15 sevens are 5 and then 105. Then 11 and 11 sevens are 77. That's it. We have how much? 105, 77, 2, 8, 1, 182. 182 centimeters. I hope this will be right. This is only 2. Now here we have 77 upon 77 upon 2. Then it will get out 38.5, 105, 38.5 will be how much? 1, this is 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 9. This is a 91. How? Base is 7 by 2. What I know? L is 13 and B is only 7. 91. Then 91, 38.5 will be 129.5 centimeter square. That's it. That's it. I will do it again for you. Okay. Here, third one. Perimeter of this garden is what? First of all, we have this 13 centimeter. Okay, this 13 and this 13. This 13. And now we have 7. So it will be added with a circle, with a semicircle. Now we have 2. So can we write 2 multiple semicircle? So pi r, 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay. 26, 2 multiplied, and r is 7 by 2. 26 and 22 is 48. Is the answer correct? No. Perimeter of area. What would be? Just L multiple B. This is a rectangle. This is area of rectangle. Then we will add semicircle. 2 times. We have 2 times. So can we write 2 pi r square? We are finding area of semicircle. So this pi r and this is a pi r square and this is pi r square. And we have 2 times. So 2 times we added. Two times upon 2. That's it. It will get cancelled out. It will get cancelled out. L which is 13 multiple B. B is 7. Then 22 by 7 multiple R. R 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 91 plus 77 upon 2. Here we can write 91 2 9s are 18. 182 plus 77. 9 5 2 2 5 9 by 2 2 1s are 2 1 5 2 4s are 2 2s are and then 2 4s add, 2 9s and 5, 129.5 centimeter square. That is all. Just look at this question. Now next, area for trapezium. Area for trapezium. Area of a trapezium. Trapezium. Am I right? Trapezium. 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 First of all, you will see that diagram of a trapezium is like this. Can be like that, which is what 1 2 3 quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. So to find out this, we will do what area of this, just half. This is half. We will take half. We are finding out area of a trapezium. This is half, and sum of what? Sum of parallel lines. Sum of parallel lines. Parallel lines. So here, this and this is parallel line. This and this is a parallel line. Okay, then we will multiply by h, which will be also h. Now, this is a 12 centimeter and this is a 20 meter, and this is a 30 meter. This is a question. As we know already, we know that if you look like that, then here you can observe that this is a triangle. So for triangle we apply 1 by 2. For triangle is a half of a square. Triangle is a half of a square. That's why we write half. Now height, then sum of parallels, because parallels are extra. These are extra. So sum of parallels 20 and 30. This is a parallels. Okay, this is one. And you already know, to find out area of a triangle, you would half, because of this is a half of a square. Then we have h, then we have base. Area of a triangle. Okay. already you know. But this is not a triangle. That's why here we added sum of parallel lines. So 1 by 2 and then sum of parallel lines 20 30 would be 50 and then 12. This is the height 25 and 25 12 2 5s are 10 2 2s are 4 5 25 0 10 3 300 centimeter per square. This is area. I think I am right. Now we have questions based on this trapezium. Trapezium. Find the area of a trapezium So please start. Here we can see, we can understand this question. Question is the same. Find the area of a trapezium. Question is saying find the area of a trapezium. Okay. So perimeter note, not perimeter. Whose parallel sides are 20 centimeter and for 24 centimeter, and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. We can draw figure of this equation, figure of a trapezium with the help of this equation. So first is 20 centimeter and second parallel line which is 24 centimeter. Now distance between them is how much? You can say 15 centimeter, which is it is also what height. Now we have this figure. So we shall say find area of this polygon. So we will solve just area of this 1 by 2 and sum of parallels. Sum of parallel lines. Sum of parallel lines multiple h. This is a formula. Already we know half is this is and h is this. This is h. Sum of parallels because of this is not this is not a triangle. Okay, so 20 and 24, 44, and then h is 15, 22, and then 22, 15, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 11, and 22, 0, 3, 3, 330 centimeter a square. This is area of this trapezium, whose parallel sides are 20 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and between them is 15 centimeter. So area of this is 330 centimeter a square. Now next question. Next question, 1 second. Let me fill ink in this marker. Question I'm writing. The area of this is a question. Now, this is question. Question is saying the area of a trapezium is already given, which is 34 centimeter square, and length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter. But we don't know length of other side of a parallel lines, and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of other parallel side. So can we say we don't know? How can we draw figure of trapezium where we don't have length of a side of a parallel lines? So here, area of a trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of parallel lines multiple h. Now area of a trapezium is already given by this question, which is 34 centimeter. Okay, 1 by 2. As of now, I am not writing a square. Okay, a square is here sum of a parallel sides. So we don't know length of one side of a parallel lines, then we will apply x value. Okay, x then plus and second is 10 centimeter, and then height is 4 centimeter. Now we have linear equation. 24 2 to the 4, 34, 2x and 20. 2x 34 minus 20, x 14 by 2, 7, x is equal to 7 centimeter. So length of other line of a parallel lines of a trapezium is a 7 centimeter. Other line of parallel lines. Just have a look. Just Have a look. As of now, that's all. As of now, that's all.